Hi friends, let me show you these new drawers that I received for reviewing purposes. They are aimed to install them under a cabinet or under a desk, as we are going to do. You can see this is the drawer, okay? They come with these accessories. If for any reason your cabinet has an extra part here, you can put these razors or extenders. So we are going to install it here in this desk that has no drawers, so we can work better with it. So let's install it. As you can see, it stops the drawer here, so it won't fall down, okay? So that's it. Perfect. We have a drawer now. Ready. You can see now we have the drawer here. We can put some of our stuff here, and we turn a regular table into a desk with a drawer here. So if you need drawers in your kitchen, in your desk, in your playroom, in your tool room, whatever you need a drawer like this is a great way of having one. Thank you.